Welcome back to our channel, folks. In today's video, we are going to solve an exciting coding problem from Leetcode. The problem we'll be tackling is called add two numbers. It is a popular problem that tests your skills linked in arithmetic operation. So let's dive right in. Here we have a problem description from Leetcode. The problem statement explains that we are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each node contains a single digit. Our task is to add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. To make things clear, let's start with an example. Suppose we have two linked lists. The first linked list is represented by number 2, 4, 3. The second is represented by 5, 6, 8. So if we add these two, we get 7, 0, 8. Our goal is to add these two numbers and return the result of a new linked list. So what's the strategy to solve this problem? We will traverse both the linked lists simultaneously, adding the corresponding digits along the way with a carryover. If the sum exceeds 9, we will update the carryover and take the modulo of the sum to get the current digit. We'll create a new node with the calculated digit and connect it to our result linked list. Then we'll move the pointers to the next node, capturing input of each linked list, and create a complete linked list. In order to keep the head pointer, we'll initialize a dummy node, which will keep track of our head pointer. Now let's quickly solve this particular problem. As you can see, we start by defining our function add two numbers, which takes two linked lists as input. Here we start by initializing a dummy node and a pointer to keep track of the list. Initially, we also check if one of the lists is empty, then we just return the other list, as we don't have to do any arithmetic operation here. We initialize our carry variable to 0, and in our main loop, we check if the list is not null, we pick the value of the node or we pick it as 0, and perform a simple arithmetic operation and keep the track of the list. The algorithm is fairly simple, and if the end we see that if there is still a carry forward, then we just create a last node. At the end, we just return the first node from which we have started, which we are tracking with the help of the terminal. Now let's test our code with a few examples and see if it produces the correct results. We see all our test cases pass. I had already run it previously, so I know it will pass. And there you have it. We have successfully implemented the solution. Well, it submits as well. Amazing. Our code works perfectly and we have solved the add two numbers problem. Before we conclude this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with more coding tutorials and problem solving techniques. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Happy coding.